Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of Flesh and Blood, Dusk Till Dawn. So without further ado, as usual, let's get to opening the box. And the 24 packs that await us within. That then leaves us with two more Dusk Till Dawn boxes coming to you on a Saturday near you. So without further ado, let's see what we get. Once again, the nice paper wrappers. But you probably already know about this. We get a Celestial Resolve for our first foil of the pack, a Deathly Whale and a Grim Feast to go along with it. Let's see what else we get. We get cards flowing on the ground. We get another Celestial Resolve, a Hungering Demigon and a Widespread Annihilation for our first Majestic of the box. Starting off strong. Let's see. So actually the value of these boxes is not as bad as the last one, I swear. If we hit the right Majestic, that is. We get another Celestial Resolve. Quite curious. We have a Ram Raider and a Beaming Bravado. There's lots of potential hits, being that it's again a set with marvels and most of them are quite valuable. We get a Vile Inquisition for our Rainbow Foil Rare, an Envelope in Darkness and a Banneret of Resilience. There's also, speaking of bannerets, I think 2 Majestic bannerets which are also decently priced. So yeah. Actually, we have a Lumina Lance, Majestic Rainbow Foil for our second Majestic, a Deathly Whale and an Upside Down Rugged Roller for our second rare. Let's move on to the next pack and see what we get here. We get a Glaring Impact for our foil, a Lay to Rest and another Ram Raider. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We get a Banneret of Resilience in foil. That's a nice foiling effect. We get a Cleansing Light and Chains of Mephetis. Another Majestic. Oh no. Hopefully there's gonna be some Majestics left for the end of the box. Otherwise it would be quite a boring video. We get a Battlefield Breaker, a Grim Feast and a Deathly Whale. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We have a Tribute to the Legions of Doom in foil, a Banneret of Vigor and a Wall Breaker here. Moving on. Let's see what we get. A Celestial Reprimand, a Frontline Gauntlets in Cold Foil, the Cold Foil of the box. The foiling effect is always so tricky to catch on these. And a Grim Feast. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We have a Light the Way, a Blessing of Salvation, and a Deathly Delight. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Tear Through the Portal, a Ram Raider, and another Majestic Radiant Force Field. Moving on to the next pack, where we get a Resounding Courage for our foil, a Cleansing Light, and a Beaming Bravado for our rares. Next pack, still a few left, quite a few actually. We get another Majestic foil, Widespread Destruction, rainbow foil, a V for Valor, and a Herald of Triumph in, I'm not sure what they call it, like extended art, because it goes above the text box. Something like this. On to the next pack we go, where we have a Tribute to Demolition for our foil, Ram Raider rare, and another upside down Frontline helmet. Moving on. Starting with a Courage. We have a Lay to Rest, a Shade and Scream, and a Vile Inquisition for our rares. On to the next pack we go. We have a Phantom Wraith for our foil here, a Wall Breaker, and a Lay to Rest. Next pack. Also, of course, there are legendary equipments, once again, as with every set, which would also be nice to get. But instead we get a Green Feast in foil, an Envelope in Darkness, and a Prayer of Bellona, another Majestic. This box is blessed with Majestics, it seems. Not gonna complain. So, next pack we have a Defender of Daybreak foil, a Cleansing Light, and a Beaming Bravado. And we can immediately move on to the next pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Celestial Resolve, throwback to the first 3 packs, a Deathly Veil, and another Majestic Lost in Thought Illusionist action. So 4 packs left to go. Just did a quick count. Let's see what we get. We get a Light the Way for our rainbow foil, a Vile Inquisition, and a Wall Breaker. Moving on to the next pack. Third to last pack. We get Putrids, Stirrings, a Shade and Scream, and a Decimator Great Axe, which, interestingly enough, is not upside down. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get here. A Beaming Bravado for our rainbow foil, a V for Valor, and an Envelope in Darkness. So it's up, of course, the last pack. Of course, we will get the gem here, right? Let's see. Probably not. But that's fine. We get a Shade and Swing, a V for Valor, and a Hellhammer, which also, interesting enough, is not upside down. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.